How to add a new truck. To add a new truck, just click on add new. Enter the truck's registration number, say GP. Truck number, say the truck is a special number that is located on the unit, say 235. The make is a Renault. Truck type, so this one is going to be a bin truck. And later on, these trucks can be allocated to the bin management units. Maximum load, say, will be 3 tons. Sequence, it's going to be number 1. Tag number, if you use a tag unit system, in this case we don't have one, so we just say submit. Then the regular driver of the unit, 1, say OK. And the normal truck weigh, we said the maximum load is 23 kgs, and say the truck weighs, say, 5,000 kgs, say OK, and then the truck has been added in the first place.